Hello and welcome to Easy Ways. In today's video, we will learn how to download Selenium drivers, basically for Chrome, msedge and Firefox browsers. But before starting, let's understand in brief why do we need driver files. Selenium driver files with exe extension are nothing but a way of invoking particular browser, whether it is Chrome, Firefox or Edge. It is the intermediate between your Selenium and browser. So we need to download it and make use of these drivers in our automation script so that our code can run on browsers. Okay, so let's download the drivers. For that, we need to go to the browser. Click on your desired browser. Okay, so now type Selenium here. The first link that you can see is the official website of Selenium. Click on that. As you can see, the website opens. Scroll down. The first link you can see here is the Selenium Webdriver. Just beneath it, you can see this link, read more. So click on that. Alright. Now click on downloads. Okay. Scroll down. Here you can see the browser. Click on add button. Here are the listed drivers. So first of all, let's download for Firefox. For that we need to click on documentation. Let's open it in another tab. Alright, so the first version, as you can see, is 0.34, the latest version. So click on geckodriver release. This is the latest version over here. Click on that. Scroll down. So according to your operating system, download the geckodriver drive. Mine is 64, so I'm downloading the 64 one. Okay, let's open it. Now we need to extract this. So let's click on extract all. Click on browse. Open your desired location. Let's open document. Okay, let me create new folder. Let's name it driver. Select the folder. Okay, now click on extract. So this driver gets saved in the desired location. Again, come on your Chrome browser. Go to the Selenium website. Now, which one we need to download? The Chrome. But before that, I would suggest see your Chrome browser version. Sometimes what happens, because of difference between Chrome browser version and driver version, sometimes the automation script does not run on the browser because the driver version is different and browser version is different. So it is advisable to check the browser version first, and according to that version, download the driver. So let's see the Chrome driver version here. Go to About Chrome. And you can see 120.0.6099 version. So according to that, we'll download the driver. Okay, scroll down. Click on download link. Scroll down. Here you can see the version is 114. We need 120. So for that, click on this link, the Chrome for testing availability. So the version is here, 120.0.0669. Scroll down. According to your operating system, download the Chrome driver. Here you can see Win64 Chrome driver. Just copy this link and paste it another tab. Chrome driver gets downloaded. So let's extract it. Click on browse. Again on the desired location, driver folder, select folder. Now click on extract. So here our Chrome driver file gets saved. Now go to the browser again. Okay, so now we need to download msedge driver. For that, click on back, go to the Selenium website, and as you can see the edge icon here, so click on documentation. Here again I would suggest to check the Edge driver version. So let's go to Edge browser. Go to the settings. Scroll down and about Microsoft Edge option, click on that. It is 120.0.2210. Alright, come to that again. So here 22. Okay, this is 120.0.2210. So according to the operating system, download it. So the Edge driver gets downloaded. Let's extract it in the same folder. Okay, so here our msedge driver get downloaded, geckodriver for Firefox get downloaded, and chromedriver get downloaded. Okay, so let's configure these drivers into our automation script in Eclipse IDE software so that we can run our automation script on different browsers. So let's see how to do that. Go to Eclipse IDE. I have already created one project. So inside this src folder, click on src, new, click on class. Okay, let's take the package as default. Let's name the class as Chrome browser. Which method stubs would you like to create? So we need to create static void main. So check on that. Click on finish. Okay, so in Java, there is a method called set property. So the system set property method has two attributes. We'll see that. Set property. Okay. So it has two attributes, key and value. This is property name and this is value. So property name here represent name of the browser specific driver. So as we are creating for Chrome browser, let's create it for, let's write the code for Chrome one. So Chrome driver. Now in the value, we need to provide the path of that browser driver where we save it. So let's see where we save it. This. So copy the address and paste it here. Now in Selenium, we cannot use this backslash. We need to use forward, and driver and C drive we don't need to specify here, so I simply delete it. Remove all the backslashes. Okay, now here after this chromedriver win64, we need to add the chromedriver name. So the name is chromedriver.exe. This is the file name. Okay, right? Alright, so to invoke the methods of chromedriver class, we need driver object. So let's see how to do that. For that, we need to write one statement. Webdriver, driver, the object name equal to new chromedriver class name. Chromedriver is the class name and Webdriver is the interface name. So why we are creating the object of chromedriver class with a Webdriver keyword. So let me explain it. Since one set of code can run on different browser, and if chromedriver class object is able to access chromedriver class as well as Webdriver implemented method, then that code won't be able to run on different browser. So to restrict that, a keyword Webdriver has to be added before driver object in order to restrict the driver object to access only Webdriver implemented method. Okay, so let's see what error we are getting here. Go to fix project setup. Okay, click on OK. Okay, this need to be imported, this statement. Okay, now for chromedriver class, I think these charts are not getting imported. Okay. So the error has been. Okay, so now we need to hit the URL. So how do we do that? Driver object dot get method. Get is a method where we provide a string URL as a value, whatever URL you want to invoke. So let's take google.com for now, paste it. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so it's successfully run and Google Chrome is open. Now we have to see for Edge driver and Firefox driver. So let's do one thing. Let's create one class with Firefox name and check it, public static void finish. Okay, so let's copy this code only, paste. Okay, so here we need to change the name of the driver as gecko. Okay, and this need to be changed as geckodriver.exe. the file name we need to write it after the driver folder. Okay, and in this place we will write firefox. Okay, it's giving one error, so import this. Alright, now let's try to run this. Okay, so it get run on successfully on Firefox browser. Let's close it. Now we have to see for msedge. So let's do one thing, change it here only. Let's not create another class. So for that, just write edge, and over here give the name of the file msedge. Okay, and here, okay, so here we have to write edge driver. Let's see the error. Okay, the error is resolved. Now let's run it. Okay, so it get run successfully on Microsoft Edge browser. Okay friends, in today's video we have learned how to download Edge driver, Chrome driver and Firefox driver, and how to configure it in our automation script and how to run those scripts on different browsers. So I hope you like this video. For any suggestion, please comment below. I would love to see the comments and I love to see the feedback. And for more such videos, please like, subscribe and comment on my channel. I hope you like this video. Thank you.